Environmental Studies, Series 4. Chapter 3, Natural Trail. Hello friends, I am Neha. Look at the picture. This is a nature trail. I walked with my friends under tall trees and colorful flowers. I have learned about many plants and animals in the class. Today I will share these exciting discoveries with you. Nature is full of wonderful things to see and hear. When you go on a walk in the forest, you might spot a tall pine tree or see a monkey swinging from its branches. Sometimes, a bright kingfisher bird dives into the water to catch a fish, or a group of ants works together to carry food back to their home. On a nature trail, you can watch how different plants and animals live together, help each other, and make the forest their home. A nature trail is a special path in a park or forest where you can walk, look around, and learn about nature. Plants and animals in the forest. Forests are rich ecosystem filled with various plants like banyan, peepal, neem, teak, bamboo, and mango trees that keep the environment cool and green. They are home to many animals such as elephants, squirrels, bisons, deer, butterflies, birds, tigers, lions, monkeys, snakes, and insects. Forests often feature water bodies like ponds and streams, where aquatic animals like fish, turtles, crocodiles, and ducks live. This diverse habitat includes mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and insects, all interacting to create a complex, vibrant ecosystem. Land animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals, such as elephants, lions, deer, and rabbits. They eat plants or other animals that depend on plants for food. Arboreal animals. Animals that live in trees are called arboreal animals, like monkeys and red squirrels. They find fruits, nuts, and leaves to eat and stay safe in trees. Aerial animals. Animals that fly in the air, like birds and butterflies, are aerial animals. They get food and shelter from trees and flowers. Amphibians. Frogs and toads are amphibians living both on land and in water. Water animals. Fish, turtles, ducks, and crocodiles live in or near water. Animals which look similar. Some animals look alike, but they are different. A frog has smooth, wet skin and long legs, while a toad has dry, bumpy skin and short legs. A pigeon is bigger and darker, but a dove is smaller and lighter in color. A crocodile has a pointed nose and its teeth stick out, while an alligator has a wide nose and its teeth are hidden. A butterfly is colorful and flies in the day, but a moth flies at night and has a furry body. Even if they look the same at first, they are not the same. Animal footprints. When you visit a forest with your elders, look at the ground for animal footprints. These marks are called tracks. Each animal has a different footprint. For example, a deer's footprint looks like two pointed leaves. An elephant's footprint is big and round. A tiger's footprint has 4 toes and claws. Some footprints, small paws, bird feet, or scratch marks from wildcats. By looking at footprints, we can guess which animals have walked there. Finding footprints is a fun way to learn about animals in the forest. Birds in forests. Birds make our surroundings lively and colorful. Common birds like pigeons, mynas, sparrows, crows, and parrots are seen around us, while forests have bright species like peacocks, kites, and eagles. Birds such as ducks, kingfishers, and storks live near water. They have eyes, legs, wings, and tails, but no outer ears, only small openings behind their eyes. They're boat-shaped, feather-covered bodies help in flying, and their beaks are used for eating. Some birds have very colorful feathers. Beak of birds. Birds have hard beaks instead of teeth, which help them eat, clean feathers, and build nests. The beak's shape depends on their food. Parrots have curved beaks for cracking nuts. Sparrows and pigeons have short, hard ones for seeds. Eagles and owls have hooked beaks for meat. Woodpeckers use long chisel beaks for pecking wood, while swallows catch insects with broad beaks. Hoopoes and hummingbirds have slender beaks for pulling insects, and ducks have flat beaks for filtering food from water. Feet and claws of birds. Birds have different feet and claws suited to their habitats and activities. Climbing birds like woodpeckers have 2 toes up and 2 down for gripping trees. Sparrows perch using 3 front toes and 1 back toe. Hens have strong, sharp claws for scratching the ground. Eagles use powerful feet and sharp talons to catch prey. Ducks have webbed feet for swimming, while cranes have long feet for wading in water. Ostriches have strong feet with 2 big toes for fast running. Birds with special features. Many birds have unique features that help them live and look beautiful. Hornbill has a horn-like bump on its head. Peacock has shiny, colorful feathers. Owl has large eyes for seeing at night. Flamingo has long legs and pink feathers. Woodpecker has a strong beak for pecking trees. Toucan has a big, colorful beak. Penguin cannot fly but swims with its flippers. Feathers of birds. Birds have soft and fluffy feathers covering their bodies. Feathers keep them warm and protect their skin. Feathers are a special feature that makes birds unique. Birds have 3 types of feathers. Body feathers. Small and stiff, these feathers cover the bird and give shape to its body. Down feathers. Small and fluffy, they keep the bird warm. Flight feathers. Long and flat, found on the wings and tail, they help birds fly and change direction. Features that help birds in flying. Birds have special features that help them fly. Their bodies are light with hollow bones. The boat-shaped body helps them move easily in the air. Strong muscles attach the wings to the body and help move them. The tail acts like a rudder to help change direction while flying. Insects in forests. During your forest visit, you will find many kinds of insects. In the forest, there are grasshoppers, ants, beetles, bees, flies, praying mantis, butterflies, dragonflies, moths, wasps, stick insects, and cicadas. These insects live on plants, trees, and the forest floor, and they play an important role in the forest's life. Some insects help plants grow by spreading pollen. Others clean up dead plants and animals. Watching these tiny creatures can be fun and help you learn more about nature. Parts of insect body. Insects are tiny animals with 6 legs and a hard outer shell. They are found everywhere, both inside and outside our homes. Some common insects we see are mosquitoes, bees, butterflies, wasps, beetles, grasshoppers, houseflies, and ants. Most insects are not liked, but some, like honeybees and silkworms, are useful to us. All insects have 3 main body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Their bodies are covered by a tough shell called an exoskeleton, which is made of chitin. How animals get food in forest. All living things need plants for food. Some, like cows, deer and grasshoppers, eat plants directly. Others, such as lions and hawks, eat animals that feed on plants. A plant has roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Each part has a job. Roots anchor the plant and take in water. The stem holds the plant upright. Leaves make food by photosynthesis. That is why leaves are called the plant's food factory or kitchen. Leaves, food factories of plants. 1. Parts of a leaf. A leaf has lamina, petiole, apex, margin, midrib, and veins. 2. Venation. Veins form patterns like net-like or parallel lines. 3. Texture. Leaves may feel smooth, rough, or slightly bumpy. 4. Shapes. Leaves can be round, long, pointed, or heart-shaped. 5. Colors. Most leaves are green, but some may turn yellow, red, or purple. 6. Function. Leaves make food through photosynthesis, so they are called the food factories of plants. Photosynthesis. Leaves use sunlight, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves, absorbs sunlight and helps convert these materials into food, sugar, and oxygen. The oxygen produced is essential for animals and humans to breathe. Photosynthesis allows plants to create their own food and supply oxygen to all living beings. Without it, life on Earth could not survive due to lack of food and oxygen. From sunlight to soil, web of life. In nature, all living things are connected in a web of life. Sunlight helps trees make food. Trees provide shelter to birds and food to insects. Insects carry pollen, helping plants grow fruits and seeds that feed animals. These animals spread seeds to new places. When plants and animals die, decomposers like earthworms, fungi, and bacteria enrich the soil. New plants grow again, continuing the cycle of life. Thus, energy flows from sunlight to plants, animals, and back to the soil.